Okay, I noticed that you can get a 3D printed pen from Staedtler, and I thought I'll have a look how that works. But unfortunately, the app is only available for iPads, and it's only available in the German. Oops, what did I do now? And it's only available. Let's go back. In the German App Store. So it was. I live in the UK, so it was quite a mess to get an account that works in the German App Store. So I thought, because it's so complicated, you might want to see how this works, but you might not have a chance to try it out yourself. I believe one way of getting an account, an Apple account, to work in a foreign store is to get some vouchers from that country and to add them to your account. Okay, let's have a look at those 3D printed pens. So here's where I click to start designing it. And now I can pick whether I want a normal kind of pen with, let's have a look, with dinosaurs, stars, soccer stuff, or flowers. The star body looks quite nice, I think. Or whether you want a 3D swirly kind of pen. So let's go with this for now. Next. So now you can decide, do you want a roller ball, basically, with liquid ink, a fountain pen, a normal one with a M nib, or a fountain pen for children who learn to write. And Staedtler is from Bavaria, or from Franconia. That's the north of Bavaria. That's where I am from. And in my area, you have to write with a fountain pen in school. So just in case you're from, I don't know, the United States or somewhere where you normally don't write with fountain pens in school, that's the reason behind this. Kids learn to write with fountain pens. It's different here in the UK where I live. I believe that in the UK students have to use pencils, and a colleague who I share the office with told me that her grandchildren, they have to use pencils, and if they want to use anything else, they need to have a special slip that gives them permission to use something else. But I can't really comment on that. I only heard it from the colleague I share the office with. Okay, I would want a normal fountain pen. I'm not sure here what's the difference between the one for someone who starts writing. Is there an explanation? I'm not sure what the difference is. Okay, let's just go with this. And you can now swirl it around. Maybe I'm not keen on pink. To be honest, I'm also not so keen on that cap. Reminds me of some of those Faber-Castell pens with an oversized cap. Ah, that's funny. Okay. Go back. Okay, what can I do here? Color for the area where you grip the pen: white, gray, or black. Let's do gray. Color for the body of the pen: light blue, mountain blue. Blue looks good. Cobalt blue. What's this? Matte or shiny? I guess matte. Okay. Oh, and here you get the price. So far it's 20 euros. Plus postage. Now you can have some text on your pen. Should I have my first name or... Oh, can I do lowercase? Yeah. Not enough characters. What do I do? So let's try this. Yeah. Oh, actually, go back. You can choose a different color for your letters. Can I move them? Seems to be an odd place. Let's have white. Oh, I really don't like the look of the cap. Is it the same for the other pen? For the pen with the stars? I don't know. Check design. Okay. It's uploading it. Checking. And getting it ready. Yep. Now you can order, or you can order additional accessories. Let's have a look. So you can order a different front section. So does that mean I could just order a different front section and I could then swap them around, make it into a roller ball? Okay, and here it sounds as if the roller ball needs a different kind of cap. And you can order their ink cartridges. And the ink cartridges for the roller ball seem to be different. Not too surprising, but some other companies like Online, the pen manufacturer called Online, they have roller balls that work with ink cartridges. Yeah, okay, let's order one of those. Here you can have a replacement cap. Yeah, the pen looks nice, but I'm not so keen on the cap. But let's go ahead. So can I add something else? I want to try. Okay, if I go back, I lose everything. Okay. Yeah, now it's gonna get boring if I fill in my details. Okay, thanks for watching.